Okay friends, let's get some data entry and split it. So over here what I have opened on my Windows is hrfile.xlsx. Again, whatever file name you see over here is available in the download section. You can download that. This file contains a lot of random employee number and names. These are just random data I picked up from the, or you can create it. I'll show you later on in the course how to create or generate your own random data set and populate the columns. But over here these are just random, and what we are going to do is we are going to split the data. And before we do that, let's just create another sheet over here, and let's name it as our database. And now what I'm going to do is that this is names over here, and what I want to do is split this data into first name and last name. To do that, what I will do is I will insert two columns. I will name the first one as first name, or let's do that later on. First of all, what I will do is select this column that I want to do the splitting on, and then after that I will go to data, and then here there is this option available to me, text to column. I will let it be selected as delimited. You can read the definition as it clearly says it will delimit characters such as commas or tabs and separate each field. So what I want to do is I want to separate my data based on the space. By default delimiter is tab, so I will also select the space, and now you can see that the first name is treated as one set of input, and the other is selected as or treated as another set of input, because it is delimiting the text based on the space present in the text. Then what I will do is click on next, and now it is asking for me the destination. Okay, here I'm going to select the destination, and to do that I will click on this button, and then I will select my destination as this cell, because this is the starting cell over here, and enter, and then I will click on finish. So you can see our delimiter has broken down each and every text entry in the column, selected column, that was D, by identifying the space inside the text. And we have over here is the set of first name from column D, and here we have the set of last name from column D. So I will now quickly rename this as first name, and over here as last name, and this as full name is something that will be great. And once I'm done over here, so we now know how to split our data using the data section of the ribbon and using the button text to columns. And over here now I will select this set of entry, and I will copy this, and I will go to my database sheet, and over here what I will do is in the paste options I will use transpose paste. So what it will do is transpose the data, that is if the data is along a row, it will make it along a column. That is what it has done. The data was along a row, and it has now pasted it along a column. In the next lecture we will do more work on this set of sheets and on this Excel workbook.